First off, this is no financial advice and all you do is at your own risk. Nevertheless, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to sell your Chia coins, or actually buy some. It includes 3 major steps. Your Chia wallet, OKEx, and Binance. I sold 1 Chia coin earlier today to test it all out for you, and it seems to be working. Obviously, as you can see on CoinMarketCap, there are 4 options to buy or sell Chia coins. However, I went with OKEx since they seem to be the most legit to me. After creating an account at OKEx, you can deposit Chia coins. For this, just copy your Chia receival address and make sure to copy it right. And add it over here in your Chia GUI, for example. You can do it via PowerShell or any other CLI as well, into the address puzzle hash. Then you want to specify the amount you want to transfer, as well as a fee, which I chose to be 0, however it depends on the meme pool. To see the recent amounts of fees, you can go over to the chiaexplorer.com, to Chia Explorer blocks, and search for TX block. In here, you can see that the last fee was 0.00019 Chia coins. However, I went with 0 and it went through. After sending your Chia coins, it will take 30 iterations before they arrive in here. And for selling, you will have to click this little icon here and move your Chia coins from the funding account into the trading account. You can specify the amount down here. Just afterwards, you'll be able to sell your Chia coins. You can choose sell, a couple of options, then the amount you want to sell. This will show how many US dollar tethered you will get, and then sell Chia coins. You probably have to enter another password that you specified earlier, but your Chia coins will then be converted into US dollar tethered. You can see that I have done this earlier today by looking at my trading account history. In here we can see that I received 1 Chia coin, that I sold 1 Chia coin and gained 665 US dollar tethered. And then, this is the next step coming up now, that I have withdrawn this money. Buying Chia coin is pretty much the other way around. As far as I know, you can deposit some tethered or Bitcoin on OKEx and buy Chia with it. However, earlier when I took a look at it, you couldn't withdraw Chia from OKEx, and they were saying that it was due to a wallet upgrade. I don't know how it is now, so before buying any, check it out for yourself. When sending your tether to Binance, be sure to select the right wallet address, not just a tethered wallet address, but in my case the TRC20 wallet address. Within a couple of minutes your tether should arrive in Binance, and from here it's pretty much like people are used to it. In my case I chose to convert it into Euro, since I'm living in Europe, and then withdraw it by using SEPA. Since this takes a day or two, I do not yet have the confirmation on my bank account. However, using Binance, I feel safe that it will be credited to my bank account soon. To put it into a nutshell, first, you go to the marketplace of your choice. In my case, it was OKEx. Here you create yourself an account, and for buying Chia coins, you deposit some Bitcoin or you tether on it. For selling your Chia coins, you copy your wallet address that you receive for receiving Chias. Make sure that it is a wallet address to receive Chia coins, and enter it into your GUI. Specify the amount you want to send, a fee. After a couple of minutes, your Chia coins should arrive at your marketplace. In there, you can sell your Chia coins like usual coins. And because OKEx doesn't let you withdraw in euro or in dollar, I chose to convert my Chia coins into tethered and then send them over to Binance to convert them into euro. Another nice thing to know, when you create transactions, a whole Chia block will be deducted. So if you have a farming reward of 1.75 Chia coins and you try to send 1 Chia coins, 1.75 Chia coins will be deducted from your account. However, you will get back your 0.75 Chia coins later on. This is normal for the Chia network. I say it again, this is in no way any financial advice on selling or buying Chia coins or any other coins. It's just a way you could do it. I hope you found this video helpful, but if I left any questions unanswered, please leave them down in the comments and I will reply to them ASAP. Thanks for watching!